During the Somalia Oil and Gas Conference in London, Somalia's Ministry of Petroleum and Mineral Resources revealed her plan to offer for auction oil blocks, some of which lie within Kenya's territory. Somalia anticipates that the signing of the final production sharing agreement by the winning bidder will be on the 9th of December 2019, with the effective date of 1st January 2020. So we sent a protest to Somalia. In fact, we called in their ambassador on the 9th to explain, as is customary, what the actions of his government were. He indicated to us that he did not have any information. We asked him to seek clarification and come back. Somalia indicated that the maps in question depict Somalia's claimed maritime zone. 2, that these maps are entirely consistent with Somalia's long-standing position, including its claim in the maritime delimitation case with Kenya, and that the long-standing position reflects the government's position of Somalia. We are still awaiting a response from the government, the federal government of Somalia, that meets the minimum threshold of our request to them, that we will not cede any inch of Kenyan territory to anyone or any government.